If we want to get a random value in Python, we should import the random module. Import random. After that, random module contains functions to generate random number or perform random operation. Right? After importing, we can use function. How can we use print you should use the module name random, and now you can call the function like this. At this time I use random int function, right? Rand int function. Press tab because I need to print 1 to 10. This one gives random values between 1 to 10, inclusive. Inclusive means including 1 and 10, right? Every time you run it, you might get a different result, right? 3, now again 3, again 1, 7, 4, 10. See, you can get both of 1 and 10 and values between 1 to 10, right? Thanks for watching us. If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Thanks for watching us.